Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts, your one-stop shop for market insights. Today we are examining the SPY, S&P 500, index and correlating recent news and current events with technical indicators. The recent news shows positive market sentiment with the Dow Jones and S&P 500 reaching record highs at the end of November 2024. Let's start by looking at the daily chart of the SPY. We observe a steady upward trend over the past month, with several significant rallies and minor corrections. This aligns with the positive market sentiment observed in the recent news about record highs. Zooming in on the past week, we can spot the recent price movements in more detail. A recent small correction from 470.5 to around 468 seems to have found support and has rebounded nicely. Now let's examine the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular view of price action during the last 2 days. The hourly candles show some volatility, with several instances of short-term support and resistance levels being tested. Notice how the price consolidates between 595 and 600 in the last 2 days, before a sharp upward trend starting around 1732035600000. Finally, let's examine the 15-minute chart for the most recent hours, focusing on intraday fluctuations. The short-term chart reveals small price movements, indicative of consolidation or a minor correction that can be used for short-term trading strategies. Looking at the key price levels across all time frames, we see a potential short-term resistance at 600 to 603. A break above 603 could trigger further price gains. On the one-day chart, the support level of around 585 should be monitored. A break below could indicate a broader correction. Based on this analysis, short-term predictions point towards minor price fluctuations with a potential upward trend. The likelihood of reaching 603 in the short term is moderate, 40%, and that would be increased significantly if the 1-hour chart shows consistent breakouts above the 600 resistance. For the long term, the market outlook is bullish. However, we need to look for sustained gains above 603 to reinforce that prediction. In conclusion, the SPY, S&P 500, shows a positive long-term outlook, but short-term volatility necessitates careful consideration of key levels such as 585 support and 600 to 603 resistance. Continued monitoring of all time frames is crucial for traders to make informed decisions.